Okay, so I've got some royal icing here, pink, and then I've just added some white, and I want to mix it in, but I don't want to mix it all the way. Then I've got a bag with a 224, which is a drop flower tip. I'm going to place this inside. I'm going to make sure that I get a variation of white and pink coming out, which I am, which is good. Okay, so what I want to do here, set that aside. I have this other mold here. So this one, I'm going to take some pink, use a roller and just roll this out slightly. Place that in the center. Take off the excess. See how I just kind of pull that off? This is a double-sided mold, so what that means is that you take this other piece, once you get all this in there, take this, place it on top. So it's on there. Once you place that on top, you can see where I didn't get the fondant. Go ahead and you can roll this over the top, take it off, and push in one more time. And then flip it over and peel the mold off rather than trying to pull the fondant out. If you try to pull the fondant out from this side, then what happens is you stretch the fondant. So what you want to do is actually stretch the mold rather than the fondant. Okay, so we'll go ahead and place this on this big one right here. Look how pretty that looks. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, and let's see if our other molds are ready. Okay, so we just take the fondant right out of the molds. I'm just popping it out. See how easy it is when they're frozen like that? Just pop all these out. If you're not going to use them right away, then put them on a piece of parchment paper because they are going to come back to room temperature and be tacky. Okay, so you either need to use them quickly or let them dry completely. Okay, so on this one I'm just going to place a red rose right on top. So I'm going to have some royal icing leaves come out from the center and just place the rose. Look how simple yet elegant that is. Okay. All right, now some of these other ones, what I can do, remember we put this on the tip 224, 225, is actually go ahead and squeeze. And have some of this build up. Come down this side, have it a little bit bigger in the center. Kind of have it draping down there, a little bit wider here. Okay, some leaves here. And another rose right here. We can actually put 2 roses on this one. Okay. I actually like the pink to actually drape over the edge a little bit. So we'll add this one here. That beautiful rose there. We'll get a little bit of this on here. These are for Valentine's Day. They're very, they could also be for a garden party, Victorian style. And then this one doesn't need too much. To do the pink on that one. And then the small ones, let's do a little pink one here. 2 little red ones at the front. Take this one off, that one doesn't show up. Okay, and there we have beautiful, beautiful cookies that taste fabulous for Valentine's Day. You could use them for Mother's Day, like I said, tea parties, Victorian weddings, all sorts of things.